So on the QuantView website, the Quant link that links the live accounts to the trading strategies. For example, these are strategies. All right, we have some that we tested were not looking good, so there are no accounts set to some of these. We're starting testing on QZeus, Evo overnight. The back test looks really good on some of these, so we'll see the future testing. That's been running for a month, been looking pretty good. Shinobi, Q Chronos has been looking decent.